When choosing the best rail option for your hanging solution, the first step to look at is where your wall meets your ceiling and determine what kind of cornice you have. It could be a plaster cornice, a shadow line, or a square set cornice. These are really popular. This will make the most discreet rail choice that suits the wall and ceiling shapes you're about to fix to. Wall attached rails you can choose from are click rail for all cornice types, click rail pro, particularly for square set and shadow line ceilings. Contour is used mid-wall height. Click rail pro and contour are the most popular rails we sell, and they're the easiest to install. When you order your rail, each length of rail comes with an install pack with click and connector blocks, screws, wall plugs for plasterboard or masonry walls. These packs also have end caps to cover where you've cut the rails. DIY install is made possible by the clever fixing hardware. Click and connect wall fixings are screw fixed into the wall every 45 centimeters first. The click and connect has a spacer tab which assists you to mark the drill hole exactly at the right height to meet the top of the rail. The rail is then cut into size and clicked over the nylon blocks to secure or hide the wall fixings behind the rail. These clever click and connects also act as a joiner block between lengths of rail, so you can continuously join rail lengths and customise to your wall lengths. Architects also have ceiling attached rails that are clever and discreet. Top rail can only be installed in a square set scenario if it's being retrofitted to the surface of an existing ceiling. Top rail attached to the ceiling offers minimal visual impact and in many cases can be used as an integrated ceiling solution due to its small size. We recommend a professional installation with this rail to ensure weight-bearing fixing is achieved. We have a range of solutions for integrated rails that are built in at construction stage. There's shadow line, which is good for shadow line and square set ceilings. Art strip, which is used for suspended ceiling tiles or coffers. And deco rail, which is used beside or behind timber or plaster cornice. Ceiling strip is also a ceiling tile system. These need to be fixed into the cornice area at construction stages. It's best to consult your designer and architect or builder before purchasing these integrated rails. We also offer tech talk sessions you can book online. Once you've established your best rail system for your walls, add up all the lengths of your walls so you can specify the number, the length of the rail and the type. Please see below for your rail selections.